Hey, foodies! Did you know there are over 50,000 different vegetarian dishes worldwide? That's right. Vegetarian cuisine is a global treasure trove of flavors, textures, and ingredients just waiting to be discovered. Think you know all the vegetarian options out there? Think again. Welcome to Health and Wellness Globe. Today, I'm diving into some of the most delicious and unusual vegetarian foods you may not have heard of, but absolutely must try. Vegetarian cuisine is so much more than it seems at first glance. Now, many folks hear vegetarian food and think boring salads or the same old veggie stir-fry, but trust me, that's far from the truth. One persistent myth is that vegetarian meals are bland or unappetizing. How many times have you heard someone say, vegetarian food is just boring? Or maybe you've even thought it yourself. Well, it doesn't have to be that way. Vegetarian cuisine is packed with exciting, tasty, and surprising dishes that defy all preconceptions. The challenge? Finding them and appreciating the true diversity and excitement of vegetarian cuisine. Let's kick things off with something familiar, but with a twist. First up, shakshuka. This savory Middle Eastern dish features poached eggs in a spicy tomato and bell pepper sauce. The real magic is in the sauce, bursting with cumin, coriander, and paprika. Whether you enjoy it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, shakshuka offers a perfect balance of warmth and spice. Next, let's head to India for masoor dal. This hearty lentil curry is made with a fragrant mix of turmeric, garlic, ginger, and fresh coriander. Packed with protein and brimming with earthy and spicy flavors, masoor dal is a vegetarian delight not to be missed. From the Middle East we have falafel. These golden, crispy balls made from chickpeas, herbs, and spices are soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. Whether enjoyed on their own or tucked into a pita with tahini, falafel is a must-try vegetarian treat. Now let's travel to Japan for some veggie sushi. Think avocado, cucumber, pickled radish, and tofu wrapped in nori with vinegared rice. This vegetarian version of sushi combines creamy, crunchy, and umami flavors in a delightful and fresh package. Next, a Western twist tofu scramble. This protein-packed dish features crumbled tofu cooked with veggies like bell peppers, spinach, and mushrooms. Season it to taste like scrambled eggs with some turmeric and nutritional yeast, and you've got a game-changer on your hands. For something truly different, try a Vietnamese banh mi. This sandwich, typically loaded with marinated tofu, pickled veggies, and fresh herbs, offers a delicious combination of crispy bread, tangy pickles, flavorful cilantro, and savory tofu. Once you try it, you'll wonder why it isn't more popular. And now, for something truly unique, South Indian dosa with coconut chutney. Made from fermented rice and lentils, dosa is a thin, crispy pancake usually served with sambar, a spicy lentil soup, and a variety of chutneys. The versatility of dosa, it can be filled with veggies, paneer, or potato masala, makes it special. The harmony of textures and the tangy chutneys make it an experience rather than just a meal. This amazing array of vegetarian dishes proves that vegetarian cuisine can be rich in texture, flavor, and unexpected ingredients. From South India's crunchy dosa to the Middle East's fiery shakshuka, these recipes bust the myth that vegetarian food is boring. Plant-based eating can be just as exciting, varied, and satisfying as any other cuisine. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite vegetarian dish? Which unusual vegetarian dish would you like to try next? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and healthy cooking ideas. Stay curious, stay well,